cracking knuckles, popping knees, or that snap in your shoulder. It's not your bones grinding. It's actually tiny gas bubbles. Inside every joint, there's a fluid called synovial fluid. It keeps things smooth and reduces friction. But when you move suddenly or stretch, the pressure inside the joint drops. And that creates gas bubbles. When those bubbles collapse or pop, you hear that cracking sound. This is called cavitation, and it's completely normal. As long as there's no pain, swelling, or stiffness, you're totally fine. But if every movement brings discomfort or noise with pain, it might be time to check in with a doctor. Sometimes it can be a sign of joint or cartilage issues. So next time your fingers crack, don't panic. It's just a gas bubble popping inside your joint.